Arrow functions look like shorthand for regular functions. They are not. They behave completely differently in JavaScript. The most critical difference is how this works. Regular functions create their own this binding based on how they are called, which can change unpredictably at runtime. Arrow functions don't have their own this at all. They capture it from the surrounding lexical scope. In a class, that means arrow function callbacks always reference the class instance, even inside a set timeout or event listener. Arrow functions shine in callbacks and array methods. When you pass a function to map, filter, or forEach, arrow functions keep the code concise and readable. A simple nums.map of n_arrow n times 2 is far cleaner than the equivalent regular function expression. For short inline operations, arrow functions are almost always the better choice. But arrow functions are not a universal replacement. You cannot use one as a constructor. Calling new on an arrow function throws a type error. They also lack the arguments object that regular functions provide, which some patterns depend on. When you need dynamic this, a constructor, or access to arguments, use a regular function instead. Arrow functions. Lexical this, clean callbacks, concise syntax. Regular functions. Constructors, dynamic this, arguments. Know the difference, ace the interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.